Let's take a moment and just visualize your ideal relationship. And just picture a scene and imagine yourself, and how do you think you would be feeling? I imagine you'd be feeling secure. I imagine you'd be feeling stable, grounded, supported, happy, loved. Like this relationship is like the foundation for you to just go out in the world and just thrive, just like kick butt. And if you're anything like I was, or the women who I work with, that's really rarely what you experienced in your relationships, or what you're experiencing now if you're in a relationship. What you usually experience is more like you feel really, really giddy, you feel really, really happy, you feel so much love, so much that sometimes it's a little overstimulating. Sometimes it's like almost too much to absorb. And then things shift and you're not really sure where things stand, and it feels like it's slipping out of your fingertips and you're kind of chasing after it. You're trying to get a grasp on things. And you think that where you are, you can get to this ideal relationship because you love this person, you love this relationship, and you're really consumed with trying to figure it out. You're distracted, you get fixated when there's problems, or just because you're so activated by the relationship, it's really taking center stage in your life. And so because of everything you've experienced, because of the way that you know how to interact with this kind of relationship and these patterns, the place that you are is actually leading you further away from the ideal relationship that you really want. It's increasing your anxiety. It's increasing your insecurity. It's destabilizing the relationship. So you're kind of like in the forest, you're lost in the woods, you don't have the map. And that's okay, because in video 2, I'm going to show you how to get from where you are to where you really want to get. Okay?